Ever wondered how to style a slip dress for any occasion? Welcome to the world of the slip dress, a quintessential piece of clothing that's as versatile as it is elegant. Originating from the undergarments of the early 20th century, the slip dress has ascended the fashion ladder to become a beloved staple. Its popularity lies in its simplicity, lending itself to endless styling possibilities. From runway to street style, it's a testament to effortless chic. Now let's dive straight into how you can style this timeless piece. Want to rock a slip dress for a casual day out? Here's how. A slip dress can easily transition from sleepwear to streetwear with the right accessories. A classic approach is to pair it with a denim jacket. The rugged texture of denim provides a delightful contrast to the silky smoothness of the slip dress, giving you an effortlessly cool vibe. Alternatively, try wearing your slip dress over a crisp white t-shirt. It's a throwback to the 90s that still feels fresh and modern today. This look gives you a bit more coverage, making it a great choice for more conservative settings or slightly chilly days. If you're all about comfort, nothing beats pairing your slip dress with a pair of sneakers or sandals. This combination balances elegance with ease, making it perfect for a day of running errands or a casual brunch with friends. Don't be afraid to play with colors and patterns to personalize your look. Remember, fashion is all about expressing your unique style. And there you have it, a perfect daytime look with a slip dress. Need to look professional in a slip dress? We've got you covered. A slip dress doesn't have to be confined to your bedroom or a night out. With a bit of creativity, it can be transformed into a perfect outfit for the office. The key is to balance the inherent femininity and casualness of the slip dress with more structured and formal pieces. Consider layering your slip dress with a tailored blazer or a cozy cardigan. This not only adds a professional touch, but also offers a practical solution for those chilly office temperatures. A pair of polished flats or modest heels can further elevate your look, making it office appropriate. Accessories can also play a significant role in transforming your slip dress into a work-ready outfit. Think about adding a statement necklace to attract the right kind of attention, or a belt to cinch in your waist and add some structure. With these tips, you're ready to take the office by storm in your slip dress. Ready to turn heads at your next evening event? Let's glam up that slip dress. Imagine stepping into the room, the soft whisper of silk, the glint of tasteful jewelry, and the perfect balance of elegance and edge. That's the magic of the evening glam look. It's time to bring out the big guns, ladies. A well-paired leather jacket can transform your slip dress into an edgy ensemble, perfect for a night out. And for those chilly nights, a faux fur coat draped over your shoulders not only keeps you warm but also adds a touch of sophistication. Now let's talk footwear. Stilettos are the classic go-to for an evening look, adding height and grace to your overall outfit. But if you're aiming for a slightly more casual yet chic vibe, a pair of sleek boots works wonders too. Accessories are the exclamation point of an outfit. A statement necklace or a pair of chandelier earrings can elevate your look to another level. And don't forget the power of a good clutch. It's practical, it's stylish, and it's the perfect finishing touch to your evening glam look. And here's a little secret for you. Playing with textures like lace or velvet can add depth and interest to your outfit, making your slip dress look all the more glamorous. And voila! You're all set to dazzle in your slip dress at any evening event. As you can see, a slip dress is an incredibly versatile fashion piece. With just a few tweaks, you can transition it from a simple daytime outfit to a chic office ensemble or even an evening glam look. The key to mastering the art of the slip dress lies in the accessories you pair it with and the layers you add or remove. For a daytime chic look, think casual and relaxed. A pair of sneakers, a denim jacket, and minimalistic jewelry. When it comes to styling a slip dress for the office, remember to keep it professional yet fashionable. A structured blazer, pointed toe heels, and a statement handbag will do the trick. For an evening glam look, opt for strappy heels, a statement clutch, and some sparkling jewelry. Add a touch of red lipstick for that extra bit of glamour. With these tips, you can now style a slip dress for any occasion. Remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself, so don't be afraid to experiment and make the slip dress your own. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that with the right styling, a slip dress can be your go-to item for any event. You've seen the magic of this versatile piece, now it's your turn to create your own style statement. But wait, there's more. If you want to stay updated with the latest fashion trends, tips and tricks, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I promise to keep bringing you your fashion fix right here. Remember, Fashion is a way to say who you are without having to speak, so let's keep the conversation going. Subscribe now and let's continue this fashion journey together. Stay stylish. Did you enjoy the transformation of the slip dress? If so, show some love by hitting that like button. Your support inspires me to continue sharing these fashion transformations with you all. And if you want to keep up with the latest fashion trends and tips, and see more of these amazing style transformations, make sure you subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when I upload new videos. So don't miss out on your daily fashion fix. Hit that subscribe button now and join our fashion-forward community. Remember, staying stylish is just a click away. Don't forget, fashion is a conversation that never ends. So let's keep talking, let's keep exploring, and let's keep making fashion statements together. Until next time, stay stylish.